The monasteries. Hilanderi. The 20th century. However, in 1913, Serbian presence in the Holy Mountain was quite big, and the Protos was the Serbian representative of Hilandar. In the 1970s, the Greek government offered power grid installation to all of the monasteries on Mount Athos. The Holy Council of Mount Athos refused, and since then every monastery generates its own power, which is gained mostly from renewable energy sources. During the 1980s, electrification of the monastery of Hilanderi took place, generating power mostly for lights and heating. On March 4, 2004, there was a devastating fire at the Hilandar Monastery, with approximately 50% of the walled complex destroyed in the blaze. The blaze damaged the northern half of the walled complex, including the bakery, the library, and the monastery's many historic icons were saved or otherwise untouched by the fire. Vast reconstruction efforts are underway to return Hilandar to its former glory.